Welcome to my honest review of Credit Sesame, one of the most popular personal finance platforms for credit monitoring and financial health management. Credit Sesame is designed to help users gain control over their credit score while offering personalized recommendations to improve their financial standing. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire platform step by step, from setting up your account to exploring its most powerful features. When you first log into Credit Sesame, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of your current credit score, including a breakdown of factors affecting it, such as payment history, credit utilization, and total accounts. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to understand even for those new to credit monitoring. Next, I'll explore the credit monitoring tools. Credit Sesame provides free credit score updates and alerts you to any significant changes, such as new account or hard inquiries. This feature is particularly useful for staying on top of your financial health and catching potential issues, like identity theft early. One of the standout features is the credit analysis section. Here, you'll find detailed insights into what's helping or hurting your credit score. Credit Sesame not only identifies problem areas, but also offers actionable tips to improve them. For example, if your credit utilization is high, the platform might suggest paying down specific balances or increasing your credit limits. Moving on to the recommendations. Credit Sesame provides personalized offers for credit cards, loans, and other financial products based on your unique credit profile. This can be a great way to find lower interest rates or credit cards with better rewards tailored to your needs. The app also includes identity theft protection features. You'll receive alerts for potential risks, such as new accounts being opened in your name. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially in today's digital age where cyber threats are prevalent. In addition to the web platform, Credit Sesame offers a mobile app with all the same functionalities. Whether you're checking your credit score on the go or managing your finances from the comfort of your home, the app ensures you stay connected and informed. Finally, I'll share my overall thoughts. Credit Sesame is a comprehensive and user-friendly tool for anyone looking to improve their financial health. While the free version offers plenty of features, upgrading to the premium plan unlocks even more valuable tools, such as detailed credit reports and advanced identity theft protection. If you're serious about taking control of your credit and finances, I highly recommend giving Credit Sesame a try. Don't forget to explore all the features and take advantage of the personalized tips to boost your credit score. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and financial tips.